guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making egusi soup. Can you see that gorgeous delicacy? Want to know how I make this egusi soup? Sit, relax and watch to the end. So without wasting much further time, let's go into the main video. Heating up my oil. Now my oil is hot. I'll put in the sliced onions, locust beans, half teaspoon of salt, and fry that for some time. The next thing that I'll be going into this is my mixed pepper mix rather. So I'll allow that to fry and the water will have to dry. This is the star of the day, which is our grounded egusi. So I'll be adding little water to make it a paste, a very thick paste, because this our egusi is going to be lumpy, as it is not going to be sleeping in the pot. You know that lumps egusi, that is what you are going to be making and not the frying method. So our pepper is still frying. Now I'll be adding in my seasoning cube because it's already fried. So I'll add in my seasoning cube. Mix it. See it now, it's very fried because the oil is on top. So I'll be adding the meat stock. If your meat stock is enough, you don't need to add water. Mine is not enough, so I'll be adding in water. That'll be enough to cook my egusi. So I'll add in 3 tablespoons of crayfish. I'll mix it very well. So now I'll start cutting in my egusi paste, my melon paste. So I'll continue adding it until I'm through with the egusi paste. So here I've added everything. All my egusi paste is in here. So I'll cover it to boil. So guys, our egusi is boiled. You can see the balls is very done. So I use my spoon to break it into pieces the way I want it. If you want it to be bigger than this, you can actually do it to your choice. So I'll be adding in my protein. Just know that the longer you cook it, the more strong the lumps will be. So here are all my protein: stock fish, dry fish, goat meat, you know. So I'll mix it in very well. The next thing will be my vegetable. I'll be using ugu, pumpkin leaf and scent leaf. Guys, if you have not used scent leaf in your egusi before, you are missing. Give it a try and let me know how you feel about it. So I'll add a little bit salt on top of my vegetable before mixing it in. So I'll allow it to steam for just 1 minute and our egusi soup is ready. Thank you guys for always watching. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye.